price of 10999 Honor 9 Lite just introduced in India with Android Oreo 8.0 on top of Android Skin EMUI 8.0, which we've seen previously on the Honor View 10, which is the flagship killer device for 2017 from Honor, and it priced around 30,000 rupees. Now talking about the EMUI 8.0, you get a ton of features. Like the first thing, you can rearrange the notification bar and add the notification toggles as per your wish. You can record your screen by the screen recording option present on the notification bar, and this is too easy to use this thing. Even it is present on the EMUI 5.1, so don't worry about that. You only have to press the volume up and power key to start the screen recording, and this is really useful for most of the people who make tech videos like me. So the Honor device is packed with the EMUI, and the EMUI 8.0 really gives you a ton of feature which I'm gonna talk you later. So now with the mirror share option, you can also add the Wi-Fi mode, and this device also support the Wi-Fi breeze option. But it does. When you are in a situation that your data doesn't work and you are also the Wi-Fi is turned on your device, it automatically changes the connection to the Wi-Fi and give you the better speed for the network coverage. Even you can tap the settings menu from the home screen to realign all of the applications. Set the device to realign all of the application present on the home screen, and you can even change the home layout. So these are the options for the home screen and packed with the EMUI 8.0. Now moving to the settings, if you first thing go into the wireless and networks, you get the Wi-Fi plus or breeze option, which I've talked already. And with all of that, you also get the mirror share option, which is present on the Honor devices. And mirror share is that to share your screen with smart TV or bigger displays. You also even use the app twin option to get two accounts of social medias on a single device. Even you can change the notification status bar and display the network speed and battery percentage. So these are the options that you get with the EMUI, and you don't have to download any third-party applications to get these things for your Honor device. If you move into the battery, as the Honor 9 Lite is having a 3000 mAh of battery, the battery capacity is really too good, and for the display maybe it's gorgeous, so you can also change the resolution of the screen to get a more efficient battery life. You can also choose the smart resolution screen resolution option, and even you can optimize your device to get a better battery life from this device. And also the ultra power saving mode makes the device even more standby than 7 to 8 hours, and this will give you the allowance for 6 application, and this is too easy to use this device, and where in your situation that you don't get any power supply, you can use this thing. Now talking about the display is having a 18:9 panel, and you can also change the color temperature and also set the auto brightness. Even you can change the sleep mode, that where the screen is off, and even you can turn on the reading mode or the eye comfort mode, and also set the color temperature as per your wish. Even you can schedule it to turn on or off. Now talking about the home screen style, you can also change this thing and get the app drawer options like the stock Android. Now with this, you can also search your application from the application breeze. Now talking about the wallpaper, you can also choose the random change wallpaper to get different type of wallpapers for each and every time. As there are many devices present which don't support the 18:9 ratio display, but with the Honor 9 Lite you can also allow all the third-party application to use the 18:9 ratio display. Even you can change the size of the look and also change the theme look on the Honor 9 Lite, and these are really helpful option and customization that you don't have to root your device to get this allowance. Even you can choose the screen saver option for this device. Now talking about the sound is pretty low, that the speaker doesn't good also, but we can't even complain for the pricing. But while using the 3.5 mm headphone jack, you can also choose the Huawei Hisense sound effect and use the earphones to get the best sound experience from the 3.5 mm headphone jack. You can also play the 3D audio mode. Even you can choose the equalizer and choose the bass as per your wish, and these are the options really present on the Honor 9 Lite that no one talking about. Even you can choose the earphone type or headphone type, and also play the 3D audio mode near, front or wide. So these are the options you get with the Honor 9 Lite. Now talking about the storage, with the 32 GB storage option you get around 22 GB of free. Even you can choose the cleanup option inside the storage option to get some cake cleaned, so the cake file is cleaned. And with all of that, if you move into the security option, you can lock your applications and settings menu which you don't want to share with your friends. Even talking about the fingerprint sensor, not only it can unlock your device, also you can drag down the notification bar, take and answer calls, stop alarm, even you can browse through your photos. And these are the options also present on the EMUI 5.1. So there is no much optimization with the 8.0, but the battery option is really good. Even you can take photos by clicking the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor is really works a ton of things, and these are the features present on the EMUI 8.0. Even you can answer calls, stop alarm and show your notification panel. You have to turn on it manually from the settings menu. Now talking about the smart assistant, there you also get the system navigation. If you don't like the position of the navigation keys, you can also change. And even you got the notification tray down option from the navigation key, and even you can hide the navigation bar. So these are the quite useful option if you don't want to use the navigation key. You also get the navigation dock option where you get a bubble like thing on the screen. You only have to tap once to step back, and if you press it, it will take you to the home screen. So this is quite useful and also present on the MIUI on Xiaomi devices. Even you can use the mini screen view or 100 UI mode to get use when there is a situation you don't reach to the top of the device. And there is also present motion sensor where you can mute your incoming calls and stop alarm by only flipping down the screen. Even you can double tap to screen on or off your device. So these are quite useful option, and swiping down with 3 fingers, it will take a screenshot. Even you can get the full page screenshot by only tapping the scroll shot option. If you don't like the lock screen wallpaper, you only have to tap twice the power on off key and it will automatically changes the wallpaper from the lock screen. Even you can take a snap from the lock screen by tapping twice the volume down button, and it will take a snap from the rear camera. So guys, these are the quite useful feature you get with the Honor 9 Lite packed with the EMUI 8.0 Android skin on top of Android Oreo. And there is no issue with this EMUI Android skin. Now, if you ended up liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Follow us on Facebook for more tech updates. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.